Hello everybody, today I'll show you the easiest and the fastest way on how to install your mobile phone to Dji Osmo 3. First of all, I'm not endorser of all DJI products. Guys, sometimes we are in a hurry to shoot those plays, to shoot those events. And we have to prepare our shooting device immediately. So today, I will show you the easiest and the fastest way on how to install it. Watch this. This is your DJI Osmo 3 and this is your mobile. Guys, make sure the device is on off mode button. Install your mobile, make sure it's on the center. Open it, turn on the button, and you're done. Sometimes you're in a hurry, you are finished of editing or shooting video, and you want to close it. It's the same procedure. Just turn up the button, close it properly, uninstall it, and you're done. Thank you.